Hey, we're back again with this 2016 Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG. Finished in matte black metallic. Very gorgeous two-tone leather interior. I'll show you the interior of the truck momentarily. The truck is very clean. It's got the original books. It has a bunch of service records that come with the vehicle. Got the carbon fiber package. Dash is in beautiful condition, no shrinkage to the leather. Headliner is nice and tight. So nice and clean. Also has those lighted door sills, door cards. Very, very clean vehicle. Leather's in beautiful condition. No rips or tears. Non-smoker vehicle. It smells clean inside. Very, very nice truck. Got your all weather mats. Very, very, very clean vehicle. How nice that door card is. Leather is absolutely beautiful. Nice that door card. Beautiful condition. 72,600 miles. Loaded up nicely. Everything's in perfect working order. We tested the differential locks. They're in working order. Nice clean G63 AMG, which will be coming up for auction soon on Bring a Trailer as a no reserve auction. Today's October 7th, 2024. Vehicle will be coming up for auction. Prospective bidders are welcome to come check the car out here in central New Jersey or have a third party do so on their behalf. Very, very clean vehicle, well maintained. It's a very, very nice truck. Just want to wish everyone the best of luck.